Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore exciting learning opportunities, internship opportunities, and job opportunities for your career. Today, I have an amazing opportunity for you, which is a PwC Artificial Intelligence online internship. And guess what? It's free. If you're someone who wants to gain real world experience in artificial intelligence and make your resume stand out, keep watching. Let's dive in. Before we proceed, this is my channel. If you are a new subscriber, if you are a new viewer, please go and subscribe here. If you are already a subscriber, you can find a lot of playlists here, and one playlist which will definitely useful for you will be a useful one for you, which is a skill up. Okay, if you are a student, you should see this playlist where you can find a lot of free resources, free online courses, internship opportunities, everything online, free online courses from well renowned companies like Cisco, IBM, Microsoft, Google. Okay, so you can find it here. Okay, let's dive in. So this is PwC. It's artificial intelligence online internship. Why should you consider this internship? Because like you can learn from industry leaders. PwC is one of the big four consulting firms, which means you are learning directly from experts who are shaping the AI industry. Here you have workspace relevant skills. This program focuses on practical skills like model development, data analysis, and problem solving. And you can find flexible and self-paced, which means you can complete the program at your own pace, making it perfect for students and working professionals. It's a globally recognized certificate. At the end of the program, you will receive a certificate of completion, which can significantly enhance your LinkedIn profile or resume. So I'll just show you like what are the various things which it has. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see here it's a job simulation. Okay, so it's actually a job simulation one, and it's a self-paced, which is 8 to 9 hours, no grade, no assessment, and it's an advanced level. Okay, so you can just scroll down to see like what are the thing. Like here you can see what are the data driven organization and AI strategy, handle ethical concerns, and this is what the task one you have to do. Task and career paths in data digital intelligence at PwC. And then if you see the task 2, it takes nearly 1 to 2 hours, and it's an advanced level, the significance of responsible AI in decision making, how to build Python classification model, analyzing feature importance in a classification model. And here what will you do is what you will build a Python classification model. You will analyze which features affect the model's decision the most, create a visual representation, and provide a comments on your findings. And what about task 3 is what like you will be understanding valuing fintech loan portfolio. It's a great thing, right? So I just wanted to show you if you wanted to have some personal guidance from me regarding your career, your resume, if you want me to conduct a mock interview for you, so you can schedule a call with me here. I'll be happy to assist you. Okay, so the link is in the description, you can find it over there. And one thing which I want to share it with you all is what specifically for the students, I am conducting a free online webinar for you. So this is a free online webinar. If you are confused about what certification you wanted to do and how you want to build your career, so you can register here. It's happening on January 9th between 8:45 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And you can see here that it's who should attend and why should attend, why should you join. So everything I have registered here. So just go ahead and register. You will get into it. Okay, so the link is there in the description. Let's just continue. The task 4 is what 1 to 2 hours, and you will understand the importance of data strategy and learn how to develop a data strategy and define data reports and collaborate with your PowerPoint and proposal. We have task 5, which is the predictive healthcare. Like it is an advanced one comparing adverse effects of pain medicaments. And the task 6 is what like predicting damage risk at waste management. So they are covering almost wide range of domain, so that you will get used to that, right? Like you will get used to all the domain, you will get the you will get an understanding of all these domains here. So, and finally you can just talk about, they'll be giving you some interview tips and also a summary of summary ready of your resume. Okay, so it's a free program. Once if you click here start free program, you will be enrolled into it. You have to give your email id and etc etc, so that it will ask you the basic questions. So here, as I show you, it has 4 different tasks to complete. One is AI basic, where you will understand fundamentals. Second one is the data analysis, where you will analyze the large data set. The third one is the AI model training, where it will be like hands-on building AI models to solve the real world problem. And the fourth one is learn how to apply AI to tackle the business challenges. So who can join? The best part is what? Anyone can join. Whether you are a beginner looking to explore AI or a professional waiting to sharpen your skills, this program is for you. No prior AI experience, don't worry. The internship is designed to guide you through the basics before diving into the advanced topic. And the enrollment is what you have to click here, and the thing is, like, the link is there in the description. You can find it from the description and attend this. Okay, so what is my recommendation for this interview is what? Set a goal. Decide what you want to learn and focus on those areas, not only for this internship. I'm just telling for all the students and all the techies, like if you want to do something, set a goal for that. Take a notes. If you are if you are attending any internship, or if you are learning something new, take a notes, document it and keep it for you, so that you can just verify it on and look into it before you go into any interview. And you have to build a portfolio. Use the project of this internship, from this internship. So I can show you my portfolio, how it looks, like this is my blog. If you can follow my blog, I'll be adding lot of article here. Okay, and here you can find my online portfolio, which is GitHub. Okay, this is my online portfolio. You can find everything about me. So who am I and everything, you can find everything about me. So if someone is asking me my portfolio, I can simply share this and they will know that. Okay, so this is what a simple online portfolio you can create. And if you want to understand how to create it, just you can either comment it below, or else you can schedule a call with me. Okay, so yes, this is what the thing is, like every student should have you have to set a goal so that you can reach there easily. Okay, so just go ahead and enroll it here. You will try to understand what is the AI, what is the Python basics and everything which is coming up, and how you can move ahead into the university in this industry. Like there is a larger career gaps in between your college and your corporate. Okay, so you should, if you wanted to build the gap, if you want to give a bridge between this gap between your college studies and the corporate studies, corporate workings, you have to go ahead. So you can achieve this only if you are enrolling and you are learning it. Okay, so just go ahead and start learning. Don't postpone anything. So if you are ready to step into the world of artificial intelligence, don't miss this amazing opportunity from PwC. It's free, flexible, and will open doors to endless possibilities in your career. Let me know in the comments if you plan to enroll, or if you have already taken the internship. I would love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, or for more updates on free internship, online courses, and career tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Links in the description below. Go ahead, click on it, and start your AI journey today.